Hey everyone, Tom here, and today we're going to quickly go over how to install a new or replacement pump head for your Etatron pump. Now, this principle is going to be the same for all series of pumps, including E1, PKX, and all the other ones available on the market. So, what we're going to do, once you have the old head removed, we're going to go ahead and take the new head out of the package and line it up with the 4 screw holes. We're then going to need either a torque wrench or the Allen key that comes with the pump. Now, if you have a torque wrench, we're going to want this set to 1.8 Newton meters or 1.3 foot-pounds of torque force. Once you have the pump head aligned on there, we're going to want to tighten these down in a crisscross pattern, just like as if we were tightening a tire onto a car. Now, when you're using a torque wrench, it'll let you know when you're tight enough. If you're using the Allen key, what you're going to want to do is make sure that the screw is snug, and then go ahead and give it about 1/8 of a turn additional. You want to make sure not to over tighten these screws because that can flatten the pump head seal or cause a vapor lock, which will both affect the functionality of this pump. Now, a good way to tell is to go ahead and take a look at the gap between the pump head and the face of the unit. We want to make sure that we don't over tighten this down so that they are touching. You can notice there are some black cushions in here that will be compressed, but they should not be flattened out. If you do have any questions on this, feel free to give us a call, and as always, thanks for watching.